My name is David MacArthur. I'm a loan officer with Academy Mortgage, and I just left you a message. I wanted you to have a face to put with my name. I trust you have a lender relationship already. However, there's not a better lender in town than us. There are several things that we can do or can provide for you to help you do more business on a consistent basis, including full access to our marketing department, use of our Mobility RE mobile search app, access to Academy Works, our year-round online training services platform, aerial videos, and personal marketing video capabilities, such as this one. I'm not asking you to replace your current lender. Rather, I'm simply asking you to give us an opportunity to become a great second or third lender option for you. There are 4 promises that I will make you. First, you can reach me 7 days a week, morning, afternoon, and night. Second, if I miss your call, I will return it promptly, always in the same day. Third, I will immediately call the leads that you give me. Fourth, I will complete your Alliance mortgage loan pre-qualification within 24 hours of receiving all necessary documents. Please let me know if you'd be open to meeting for a few minutes to talk about the ways that we can help you and how we differentiate ourselves as a truly great lender. Thanks in advance for your time and consideration.